How to find and use Add Yours sticker on Instagram. Firstly, open Instagram on your device. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. On your homepage, tap on the plus icon at the bottom or simply swipe right. Now click a photo or choose any background from your gallery. Once you have done that, from the top right panel, click on this smiley emoji. This is the sticker icon. Now from the bottom, a menu like this will appear. On this menu, look for the Add Yours option and click on it. Now you can add any questions or thoughts that you are having. This sticker allows the user to create a prompt or challenge for their followers. When someone adds the sticker to their story, others can tap on it to participate, creating a chain of responses based on the original response. That's all for today. Thank you.